Everyone is talking about how AI will transform your business, make you more productive, and save you time. But nobody is telling you the dark side. The side that will steal your customers, expose your data, and replace your best staff before you even realize what eats you. My name is Taofeek Fagbemi, and today I'm going to show you things every entrepreneur needs to understand about the risk of AI, not to scare you, but to prepare you. You see, the people who win are not the ones who fear AI, they are the ones who understand it and adapt to it. Fear number one, you know that customer service rep you pay every month, the one who answers calls, reply emails, and handles complaints. AI cannot do that job 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for almost nothing and without complaining. And I'm not just talking about call centers. I'm talking about accountants, your content creator, data analysts, and graphic designers. AI is entering every department. A McKinsey report says up to 300 million jobs globally could be automated by 2030. Think about that number. A whopping 300 million. So, the fear is not AI will take your job. The fear is that another business using AI will take your market. Fear number two, AI is making fraud easier than ever before. You know deepfakes? Right now, criminals can clone somebody's voice with just 3 seconds video. 3 seconds. They can put your face on a fake video. They can create emails that will sound exactly like your CEO. In Nigeria, fraud is already a serious challenge. But now imagine what happens when bad actors have access to sophisticated AI tools. The scale of deception becomes something else entirely. It's already happening globally. In Hong Kong, a company lost $25 million because a staff attended a fake video conference. Everyone on the call was AI deepfake. Every single person. $25 million gone. For your business, this means your brand can be faked, your voice can be cloned, your customers can be deceived by someone pretending to be you, and you will not even know until the damage has been done. Fear number three, data. Every time you use your AI tool, every prompt you type, every file you upload, every question you ask, that data is going somewhere. As an entrepreneur, you are probably typing your business strategy into ChatGPT, your customer data, your pricing, your strategy, your next product idea. And here is the cold truth. Some of these companies train their AI on your inputs. That means your confidential business information will be feeding a model that your computer also uses. Samsung found this in a hard way in 2023. 3 of their engineers accidentally leaked confidential source code by pasting it into ChatGPT. Within weeks, Samsung had banned all AI tools internally. As a Nigerian entrepreneur, especially if you are dealing with client data, financial records, or trade secrets, you need to be careful about what you input in the AI tools. Your data is the price you are paying, and you might not even realize it. Fear number four. Right now, 5 companies are controlling powerful AI systems in the world. OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon. 5 companies, that is it. These are same companies that decide which business gets access, at what price, and on what terms. As an African entrepreneur, if tomorrow they decide to double their prices, or block access to certain countries, or change their rules, what would you do? You are building your business on top of tools that someone else controls. And if that foundation shifts, your whole business can shake. This is why conversations about African AI infrastructure, local data centers, and homegrown tech solutions are not just academic, they are survival tools. So, what do you do with all this information? You are not going to run from AI because AI is not going anywhere. But you are going to be smart about it. Number one, protect your data. Never put sensitive business information into public AI tools. Number two, train your team not to be replaced by AI, but to work alongside AI, so they become more valuable than those who are not using AI. Number three, stay informed. The landscape is changing every single month, and the entrepreneur who keeps learning today is the one who will lead tomorrow. This is not a warning to stop you. This is a map to guide you. If this video gives you valuable information, share it with other entrepreneurs who might need it. And who knows, you might be helping somebody out there. My name is Taofeek Fagbemi.